Hello and good morning. Joe Justice here, coming to you live on Trouble Tracking Tuesday, where we talk about ways to protect yourself from trouble by tracking all of those things that you run into on your network. And I want to remind you before I get started to make sure that you to remind you about the Savannah Banana event that's going to be coming up at the end of next week. So next Friday, we have a booth available, a tent available with a good partner of ours called Arctic Wolf at the Savannah Bananas team at Walmart. Now, it's invitation only. Go-Mart Stadium. I said Walmart. Oh boy, that's going to get me in trouble. It's at Go-Mart Stadium over there, Go-Mart Park, the former Power Park. They're going to be having the Savannah Bananas, and we've got a couple of tents, and we've got room that we're using to meet some of our clients, some people that we've worked with, maybe try to meet some new people and get introductions to some new people. So it is invitation only. So we don't have a sign-up page or anything like that. What you have to do is, if you are working with an Advantage Technology partner, if you're working with an Advantage Technology rep, you need to reach out to them and ask them about getting tickets to the Savannah Banana Games. We want you to come. We want you to be part of it, but it's invitation only. So reach out to your rep, whoever you work with at Advantage Technology. Tell them you want to be part of the Savannah Banana Game and come join us. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be next Friday. So make sure you sign up for that. All right. So all last week, we did events at different locations. We were in Charleston, we were in Huntington, we were in Fairmont, and we were in Frederick, Maryland, and we were talking to our friends at SonicWall. And SonicWall, when it comes to tracking trouble, SonicWall is one of the best tools that there is available. SonicWall is a company that started out as a firewall company, but now they're kind of a full stack cybersecurity organization, and they have everything from switches to firewalls, everything in between. Lots of cool, amazing stuff. It's a really cool company, and they do all kinds of exciting stuff. But what I wanted to talk to you about here today was, when it comes to tracking trouble, one of the best tools is their capture threat assessment. Now, their capture threat assessment gives you eyes on your network, what kind of traffic is happening over your network, and what kind of things are going on. You can't really understand what's happening on your network without capturing that data and seeing what's happening. It's all completely invisible if you're not tracking and logging it. So, for example, if you're a large organization, do you have an employee somewhere that is running an illegal server that's hosting illegal software downloads, illegal video downloads, music downloads, stuff like that? You don't know unless you have some kind of a report that's managing that information. There are all kinds of organizations out there that get in lots of trouble because they're hosting illegal material, and there's no way they can know about it without tracking that data. You have to put between yourself and the internet a capture device. And we can actually do that for you. It's a free service that we offer, and we can run it for a week or a couple weeks and see what kind of data is coming through, what's getting through your current defenses, what's getting through your current firewall or any other kind of router, any systems that you have put in place that's supposed to be blocking bad traffic or is supposed to be monitoring current traffic. We can set that up for you and give you a report that gives you an executive high-level view of what's happening, what's going on with your network. So another example that's really common is, do you have somebody that's using something like LogMeIn at 3 o'clock in the morning? Well, why do you have somebody using LogMeIn on your network at 3 o'clock in the morning? Maybe there's lots of legitimate reasons for that. But if you can't think of a good reason, it could be that your network's been compromised. It could be that you've got a hacker that's getting on your network, looking around, snooping around, and they're doing it at odd hours to make sure nobody catches what they're up to. So it's very important to keep an eye on that kind of stuff. And you can't manage that activity if you're not tracking it, if you're not paying attention to it. So reach out to me. Just shoot me a message, drop me a comment, either one, and I will be happy to get that started for you. That's the Capture Threat Assessment Report. We can set that up for you. If you already have SonicWall devices, we can actually set it up to do that automatically. There's some really cool stuff that you can do with it. So if you have so imagine you're a network engineer, you've already got SonicWall you've already got SonicWall switches, you've already got, SonicWall tools, firewall, stuff like that. If you want to reach out to your executive team maybe once a month or so and show them what the current traffic is, what kind of stuff's happening, and you can monitor that. You can keep an eye on it, every week. You can do that already if you've got a SonicWall device. And if you don't have a SonicWall device, we can set one up for you temporarily to get that information, get that data, and see what's happening on your network. You'll have eyes on your network, and that will give you a true threat assessment, and you can track and manage what's going on, see if there's anything nefarious going on, and that's the kind of thing that you want to keep an eye on. So if you're interested in that, it'd be very helpful, and I would highly recommend it no matter what size your business is. Check us out, shoot me a message, or feel free to just drop a comment, and I will help you get started on that. All right, until tomorrow, have a great day. Bye for now.